In this video, AS Steve takes out a kid and the Slash takes out itself. Oh my, oh! So we got the Slash for the 4 out running on 4S. Ready? Oh my God. Upside down. No, not happening. If you want to play Destruction Derby, you'll lose. Man, this thing is stupidly fast. Oh my God. Can the Slash backflip? Yes, check it out. Oh, oh. That went further than expected. Backflip power. Oh! Oh my God. Oh! Oh, that's just stupidly fast. Nearly. Oh, that went up. Oh, the Slash has taken the abuse.
Please off, it's going to ping into you.
Watch out, Matt. I don't know where it's going to go. We're going to go flat out from all the way down here and hit this. I don't know where it's going to go.
Somewhere that way.
Are you ready? Heads up. Oh my, oh! Sorry, dude.
It doesn't like the ECX.
What did it land on? Oh. Oh. Where else do you reckon we can get a lot of air?
The skate park's good.
Skate park is good, but it's full. Man, this thing on 4S is stupidly fast. Watch. Insane. Oh, that short course is just parachute so badly. Oh, tree there. The parachuting effect on these bodies is just mad. This is supposed to be an anti-parachute body, but it isn't. Oh! Oh! Straight in the tree! Will it do a tree backflip? Oh, kind of. Oh, this thing's just too fast for its own good. Oh, we've got another one down here. All right, here we go, flat out. Oh! Oh, nailed him! What happened?
What would that make? Would that make that? I don't know. That would make a medium. No, 10 scale.
Oh, and it done it. Oh,
trying to take us both out.
We got a Charisma, what is it? Charisma 71368, is that it?
M10.
Oh no, it's a Charisma M10 DB. Nail it. Oh, short course is just uncontrollable. Here's quite a good jump, look. Oh! Oh, wheels off. Has it come off or has it broken off? This is one of the hexes that are pinned. You can see the 2 pins in there. But it's actually snapped the actual hex. So that's game over for me. Oh, easy. Oh. 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 So, Matt has put a 6S ESC in this bad boy, the Charisma 10 RB, whatever it's called. Oh my God.
Charisma 10 ABCD.
6S. And it's only a 3S motor. That's going to be... What's going to happen?
It's going to get warm.
Yeah.
Is the motor going to take it?
It's Okie Day.
Where does it say Okie Day?
There.
Oh.
It is
There.
basically Cool RC.
So it's running an Okie Day ESC. Check it out, 120 amp 6S.
Like that again.
Oh, we got a letdown. What happened?
If you put 6S on it, it flashes and says it's not very happy.
Oh, so what S can it take?
I've had it on 4, so 4's okay.
Alright, 4S it is. Well, I've not had much luck today. On the Slash, the wheel fell off. On the E-Revo, both the servos died while it sat there doing nothing. That's the only RC car I've ever had that's broken by doing nothing.
Yeah, just sitting there and just went, no.
Yeah, no, I don't want to work anymore. 4S going in, is it still going to be mad? Have you ever driven that on 4S?
Only a little 4.
Is that poor little Spurgear going to take it?
Yeah, hopefully.
Got the beast of a Rustler looking different from the last video.
Got my Proline Bulldog shell on it.
Yes.
And a Proline Bulldog on the pan.
By the way, you guys that keep asking what these body shells are, it is a Proline Bulldog. I don't make them anymore. But I have 16 in stock. I may one day do a giveaway and give a few away. Maybe. Oh! Oh, whoa, whoa! That was in the face. Oh, Jesus.
That's woken up.
Save it for the skate park.
I've got a better skateboard up there. The little one. Oh, shit. Sorry, mate.
What did you do, Stephen?
Oh, no, I thought I hit someone. I feel really bad.
Wait on.
We lost the tooth. Probably.
guys, that's it for this video. I mean, we couldn't really get on that skate park, it was way too busy. Normally when we take RCC skate parks we go in the week, but today being a Sunday, that's when all the kids are out on there, so a bit of a disappointment really. But we're going to try and go back in there in the week, because it looks like a really good place. It looks like we can really have a bit of fun out there, but with so many kids there, it's just not doable. But anyway guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. See you soon guys, bye. Hello. just getting a bit of footage, you know.